2 ingredients, 1 perfect bite. Over 90 years ago, a dairy farmer stumbled upon a candy-making accident that would revolutionize sweets forever. Today, we're taking you inside the factory where 60 million Reese's peanut butter cups are made every single day, revealing why this simple combination became America's favorite candy. The legendary duo, peanut butter and chocolate. Peanut butter and chocolate, 2 classic flavors that were simply made for each other. Reese's didn't just perfect this iconic pairing, they turned it into a legend. From humble beginnings to candy empire. Back in 1928, H.B. Reese created his famous penny cup, never imagining it would become Hershey's best-selling product and inspire countless spin-offs like Reese's Pieces, PB and J Popcorn, Big Cup, Take 5, and more. Today, Reese's is a staple everywhere, from school lunches to movie nights, solidifying its place as a candy industry icon. Inside the Reese's factory, how the magic happens. But how are these irresistible peanut butter cups made? Let's take a behind-the-scenes look at the Reese's factory where this beloved treat comes to life, one perfectly crafted cup at a time. What started as a small basement operation nearly a century ago now produces millions of Reese's cups daily at Hershey's massive chocolate factory in Hershey, Pennsylvania. The facility also churns out other legendary sweets like Hershey's Bars and Kisses. H.B. Reese's original penny cup has grown into a $3 billion a year empire, all thanks to these tiny, crunchy legumes. Step 1. Crafting the perfect peanut butter. It all begins with mountains of peanut butter. To achieve that distinct Reese's taste, the company crafts its own custom blend in-house. This special recipe is used in their candies, including Reese's Pieces and Cups, and even in the jarred spread found in stores. Each week, the factory receives enormous super sacks of runner peanuts from the southeastern U.S., each weighing up to 2,500 pounds and containing over 2 million peanuts. The process starts with forklifts unloading these massive bags and emptying them into a giant hopper. The peanuts cascade down a funnel in a nutty deluge, moving onto a ridged conveyor that transports them to a cleaning station. Here, a destiner, a vibrating platform, shakes away any rocks, shells, or debris mixed in with the peanuts. Step 2. Roasting to perfection. Next, the cleaned peanuts travel via conveyor into a massive tunnel roaster where they bake for 35 minutes at 289 degrees Fahrenheit. But Reese's takes it a step further. They intentionally over-roast their peanuts to intensify the nutty flavor, giving their peanut butter its signature rich, slightly grainy texture. Interestingly, this technique was discovered by accident when a faulty roaster overheated a batch in H.B. Reese's original factory. Instead of ruining the peanuts, it created the unmistakable taste that fans love today. After roasting, about 19,000 peanuts per hour emerge golden and fragrant, ready for blanching. Step 3. Blanching and grinding. Inside the blancher, the peanuts ride a vibrating conveyor with a rough surface that loosens their papery skins. Jets of air then blow the skins away, leaving behind smooth, skin-free nuts. The peanuts then drop into an industrial grinder where 2 spinning steel plates crush them into creamy, warm peanut butter. This butter is pumped through pipes into a mixer, where salt, sugar, and a bit of hydrogenated oil are added for stability and flavor. Once fully blended, the mixture is silky, spreadable, and ready to use. Step 4. Preparing the filling. Some of the peanut butter is bottled for store shelves while the rest is stored in enormous barrels in the factory's lower level, each holding enough to satisfy a peanut butter lover for years. When it's time to make Reese's cups, the peanut butter is suctioned from the barrels into a mixer where it's whipped into a thick, smooth filling. To perfect the texture and sweetness, powdered sugar, salt, emulsifiers, and cereal dextrose, a key flavor enhancer, are mixed in. Step 5. Crafting the chocolate shell. Meanwhile, on the other side of the factory, the chocolate shell is being prepared. While similar to Hershey's classic chocolate, Reese's uses a slightly modified recipe. The process starts with cocoa beans ground into chocolate liquor, which is then mixed with sugar, cocoa butter, milk, and powdered lactose to form a crumbly chocolate sand. This crumb is refined into a fine powder before being liquefied again in a conching machine, where emulsifiers like lecithin and PGPR are added. Finally, the chocolate is tempered, cooled, and reheated multiple times to achieve its glossy, smooth finish. Step 6. Assembling the cups. As the chocolate and peanut butter fillings near completion, paper liners are precisely placed into trays on a conveyor belt. Workers ensure each liner is perfectly aligned, ready to receive its delicious contents. The tempered chocolate is poured into a dispenser above the conveyor, where nozzles deposit it into the liners, forming the cup's base. A burst of air spreads the chocolate evenly, while a gentle shake settles it into place. Now the peanut butter takes center stage. Gravity feeds the filling into an extruder, which pumps out perfectly round plugs that drop into the chocolate-lined cups. The conveyor vibrates slightly to nestle each plug snugly in place. A final layer of chocolate is added, sealing the peanut butter inside. Another air blast ensures a flawless, smooth top. Step 7. Cooling and packaging. Just like that, the iconic Reese's Peanut Butter Cup is born, ready to delight fans everywhere. But before packaging, the cups pass through a 35-foot cooling tunnel where they chill for 35 minutes at 55 degrees Fahrenheit to set the perfect texture. After cooling, robotic arms pluck the cups from their trays and place them on another conveyor where they're paired up, because one is never enough. The pairs are then wrapped in their signature orange packaging at a speed of 800 per minute before being boxed and shipped nationwide. The Reese's legacy, a treat for every craving. With such a delicious combination, it's no surprise Reese's has a devoted following. Today, the brand offers endless variations, from pretzels to cookies, ensuring there's a Reese's for every craving. What's your favorite Reese's treat? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.